Mastery training is an assignment you will revisit throughout the week. The key is start early and study a bit every day. When you click on Mastery Training, you are able to select the number of topics you'd like to study. To complete the practice set by the due date, we recommend you start with 10. Now you are being asked questions. Every answer you provide allows Mastery Training to create a memory profile specific to the scope and strength of the knowledge you are acquiring. This is different for every student and will be what you see every time you re-enter the Mastery Training assignment. And there is a lot of information on this screen. Let's start with the bottom left. This clock indicates when you should study again for the best chance of remembering these items for the test. Being compliant with the clock is important. It knows your brain and what is best for your study efforts. The dots on the screen represent the topics you just studied in the chapter. So if you hover over these dots, you can see what they are. You can also click on the items in the viewing menu to discover other information about your memory profile, such as which topics are most easy or hard for you to remember, or how long you have been studying each item. Each time you study and take a break, these dots move across the field towards mastery. Your goal is to reach the level of mastery set by your instructor. The progress indicator on the bottom right hand of the screen will tell you when you have actually completed the assignment and achieved mastery of all items in the chapter. Get to 100% and you are done with the assignment. Have fun, study, start early, and take breaks. Don't forget to download the Cengage app to do this on the go.